So welcome to this video. We're going to see how you can update your PHP version for your WordPress website. PHP is very important to all your website work, and there's a security patches in it. So we're going to see how you can update your PHP version. So this is the cPanel now. So scroll down and look for software. This column here, look for software. Then select PHP, select PHP version. Click on it. So you see current PHP version here. As you can see, it's at see current PHP version. As you can see, it's at 7.4. This is the current version. This is native, and this is higher version. So now update it to 8.2. We have done that. Click apply. On the same page, you can also enable the PHP extension. So what you do, this is you see my domain here. So you click on extension. You see the page is already enabled here. You see some extension here. So like if you see PDF here is not enabled, so let's just enable it as an extension for this. So you notice the module PDF is now saved. So once it's marked, you can scroll down and mark any other extension that you want updated in respect of the new PHP version and selection. And remember, if the extension is not there, please select a different PHP version for the extension that you want to enable from this place. So the that green sign earlier is an indication that it has been enabled. Once you see that green symbol that showed up earlier on. So that's the end. So that's how you can walk through your PHP version. Also, if you want to update the PHP upload limit, you click on options. You can see from here it has a memory limit. Then you can see upload limit for file size is default here is 2 MB. It has a maximum of 1 gig. So if you want it to this thing, just increase it to 4 MB. So this you see success as an indication that it is successful. The update has successfully saved. So that's another way you can walk through your PHP upload limit. So thank you for your domain and my extension here. So thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe. Remember, it's your WordPress website.